Welcome back to another video here on your digital makeover. Today's quick tip, I'm going to show you how you can change your wallpaper on your Mac. All you have to do is click on a blank spot on your desktop, right click, and then you just go to change wallpaper. And here you have several different wallpapers you can choose from dynamic wallpapers to all kinds of others like landscape, cityscape, underwater, earth. Once you find the one you like, go ahead and click on it, and it automatically changes that wallpaper based upon the selection you selected. So if you got any questions, please feel free to leave a comment down there in the comment section. And with that being said, I hope you all enjoyed it. And if you did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Until next time, take care.